Hello folks, my name is Jen from Golden State Times. Welcome back to the newsroom, and today I have a breaking news story. This one comes courtesy of goldenstatetimes.com. Again, that's www.goldenstatetimes.com. And it says the Supreme Court denies President Trump's bid to void ruling in Mar-A-Lago raid documents case. So let's catch you guys up so you guys can know exactly what's going on. So President Trump has been awarded a special master to review all of the documents that the FBI seized for the DOJ at Mar-A-Lago. Now, the special master in this case has hit a roadblock. He is not allowed to review 100 plus documents of the 11,000 documents that were seized at Mar-A-Lago. And the reason he cannot review them is because he does not have the appropriate clearance. So President Trump and his lawyers asked the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals to allow the special master to view those 100 plus documents, and they denied it. They denied the bid. So President Trump took it all the way up to the Supreme Court, and now the Supreme Court also denied the bid by President Trump and his lawyers for the special master to be able to see those documents. So this is where we're at now. Again, this comes courtesy of goldenstatetimes.com, and it says the Supreme Court on Thursday denied a request by President Trump to allow the special master to review classified government documents that were seized from his Florida residence during the FBI raid. It says Trump had asked the court to overturn the recent 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruling barring the special master from examining more than 100 plus classified records as part of his broader review of more than 11,000 government documents seized from Mar-A-Lago. The appeals court said that the subset of classified records could only be reviewed by the Department of Justice, which is conducting a criminal investigation of Trump for his removal of government documents when he left office back in January of 2021. President Trump's lawyers last week told the Supreme Court in a filing that the appeals court ruling impairs substantially the ongoing time-sensitive work of the special master, who was appointed by a federal judge to examine all of the seized documents to see if any should be withheld from the DOJ for use in its probe. The attorneys for President Trump also argued that, quote, any limit on the comprehensive and transparent review of material seized in the extraordinary raid of the president's home erodes public confidence in our system of justice. The DOJ had argued that the Supreme Court should deny Trump's appeal. In a court filing Tuesday, U.S. Solicitor General Elizabeth Pelagar argued that Trump has, quote, no plausible claim to the classified records. The Supreme Court, in its order Thursday, said, quote, the application to vacate the stay entered by the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit on September the 21st, 2022, presented to Justice Clarence Thomas and by him referred to the court is denied. So they denied his request. There was no dissents by any of the Supreme Court justices noted in that order. Justice Clarence Thomas has oversight over emergency appeals from the 11th Circuit. So he was in charge. He was in charge of denying President Trump this clearance. President Trump's appeal to the Supreme Court was a relatively narrow issue and was not expected to affect any ultimate decision by the DOJ on whether to file criminal charges against them or others. So the Supreme Court pretty much sided with the DOJ. Now, the reason why the special master cannot review these documents is because the DOJ is falsely marking them as classified. Now we have to go back. Remember that we have been covering this since it pretty much started since the raid on Mar-A-Lago. And we have told everybody before that the documents that the DOJ is claiming is classified has a big, beautiful declassified stamp at the bottom. But the DOJ is falsely claiming that those documents are still classified. That's why the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals sided with them. And the reason that the Supreme Court sided with the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals and the DOJ is because the DOJ is saying that they're classified. So everybody is conspiring against Trump. Everyone. Clarence Thomas, Supreme Court, everyone. The DOJ knows 100% that those documents are declassified. Yet they want to continue this fake narrative. And now the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals is part of it. And now even the Supreme Court is part of it. So let us know what you guys think about this whole situation in the comment section below. It says that it goes on to say that even if he had prevailed, meaning President Trump, the DOJ would have been able to continue its review of the classified documents and almost certainly been able to use them in the probe. The DOJ has said the review is necessary to determine if there might be other documents that were not uncovered in the raid. And that's also what they're claiming. They're also claiming that Trump has even more documents stashed somewhere, which is also false. And it goes on to say that the DOJ is investigating President Trump's removing records from the White House when he left office. But those documents, every single one of those documents that President Trump had were declassified. Declassified by him because presidents can declassify at will. He doesn't need any prior reviews. He doesn't need any acceptance by anybody or any votes by Congress in order to declassify documents. He can declassify at will. But it's only a matter of time before it actually comes out or one of these documents leak. And then everybody in the world will be able to see that big, beautiful stamp at the bottom that says declassified by President Donald J. Trump. That's the reason why he has this special master, why he wanted this special master, why he needed the special master to get that information out there. But one of those documents will leak. I'm telling you that right now. One of those documents will leak, and you and I and everybody are going to be able to see that the DOJ lied. The 11th Circuit Court of Appeals is complicit, and now even the DOJ and Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas is complicit in trying to take down Donald J. Trump. But let us know what you guys think about this whole situation in the comment section below. If you guys missed our previous video, they should be coming up on your screen. Also, don't forget to visit our website, goldenstatetimes.com. If you guys like this report, click the thumbs up button and share this video on social media. We hope that if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one. But until then, have a blessed rest of your day, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.